today what we are going to do, we are going to learn to convert an improper fraction and to turn it into a mixed number. Okay, so we're going to take an improper fraction and we will turn it into a mixed number. If you can see here, we have a whole unit. This is 1 unit. And here we have our whole broken into 4 equal parts. Okay. Here we have another whole broken into 4 equal parts. And here we have another whole broken into 4 equal parts as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. But what if we took this number? If we had 9/4. 9/4, when the top number, the numerator, is larger than the denominator, this is called an improper fraction. And so what we are going to do is we are going to turn this into a mixed number. And this is how you do it. 9/4 with the materials. Here's 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4, 5/4, 6/4, 7/4, 8/4, 9/4. Here's 9/4. And if we have 9/4, we are going to turn it into a mixed number. And this is how we do that. Here's 1 whole. Right, here's our whole. And if we superimpose it, we have 1 whole. And here we have 2, because when we superimpose it, it makes 2. So we have 2 wholes, and then we have this piece. And so how we would write it, we would write 2 wholes, and we have 1/4. So we would write it like this. 9/4 is equal to 2 and 1/4. But here's the other question. If we have our improper fraction and we are not using the materials, how would we go about getting that same answer? Let me show you. Here we have 9/4. We have 9/4. And what we are going to do today, we are going to divide 9 divided by 4 today. So I'm going to write it right underneath. 9 divided by 4, just like that. 9 divided by 4, when we use division, 4 goes into 9 2 times. So I'm going to write 2. And then we know when we multiply, 4 times 2 is 8. So I'm going to write 8 right under the 9, and then I'm going to subtract. 9 minus 8, we have 1. Okay, so if we look right over here, and we look at this 2, we have 2 wholes. Okay? And then here, we have 1/4. So using these numbers here, 2 and 1/4. So I'm going to write down 9 divided by 4, or 9/4, equals 2 and 1/4. I wonder if you can try to take an improper fraction and to turn it into a mixed number today. Okay, have fun.